Have you ever wanted to study, but your room is a total mess? You sit down with big goals, but 5 minutes later, you're like, ugh, I can't do this here. Yeah, I've been there too. And it's not your fault. Your environment plays a huge role in how motivated and focused you feel. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn even the smallest, messiest corner into an aesthetic, cozy, budget-friendly study space that makes you want to get stuff done. No expensive furniture. No Pinterest perfect room needed. Just simple, affordable tips that'll give you that main character study vibe. 1. Pick the right study spot. Let's start with the basics, your spot. You want a place with natural light if possible. Sunlight not only boosts your mood, but also keeps you awake while studying. Pick a corner that's quiet, peaceful, and distraction-free. And make sure the temperature is just right. Not too hot that you want to nap, and not so cold that you're freezing your motivation away. Even if you're in a shared room, just claiming a small space by a window or near a cozy wall can totally work. 2. Declutter and clean your area. Okay, now it's cleaning time, I know, boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Start by removing anything that doesn't belong, snacks, random wires, old notebooks, whatever. Wipe down your desk or floor space. You'll feel so much fresher. Then, label your storage. Use small boxes, trays, or organizers to keep your supplies sorted. A clean space literally equals a clean mind. 3. Set up table and chair, or floor alternative. If you already have a desk and chair, amazing. Set that up properly with your supplies. But if you don't know, stress at all. You can totally use your dining table during study time or create a cute floor setup with a tray. Looking for budget-friendly desk ideas? Use a foldable desk. Repurpose furniture you already have. Or turn a large tray into a mini study station on the floor. There's always a way to make it work. Don't wait for the perfect setup. Build your cozy vibe right now. 4. Remove distractions. Now that your area is set up, it's time to cut out the noise, literally and mentally. Only keep your essentials nearby. Your books, stationery, a tablet, or a laptop. That's it. When you sit in a clean, focused space, you feel instantly in control. And that's how you get in your study girl era. 5. Add lighting and cozy touches. If you can, add fairy lights, a cute desk lamp, or even a small LED bulb. Warm light feels cozy, calming, and makes your space way more inviting. Also, don't forget comfort. Throw in a comfy pillow or a small blanket if you're studying on the floor or bed. We're building a space that feels like a warm hug every time you sit down to work. 6. DIY storage hacks. Girl, you don't need a fancy organizer from Pinterest to stay neat. Use what you already have. A cute mug for pens. Old jars for small items. Shoeboxes to store books or notebooks. And here's the fun part. Decorate them. Use washi tape, wrapping paper, or pastel-colored sheets to turn boring into aesthetic. These little things make a huge difference in how inspired you feel to actually use your space. 7. Time to decorate. On a budget. Add a calendar to track deadlines and maybe a vision board with your dream goals. Hang up motivational quotes, aesthetic printouts, or Polaroid-style pics. Even a fake plant can bring life to the space, or make your own with paper. Why not? Pro tip: use Pinterest for free printable decor. You can totally DIY your dream room with scissors, glue, and some creativity. Make your space feel like you, cute, focused, and full of main character vibes. 8. Tech corner and digital focus tips. Keep your phone or tablet in a separate corner so you're not tempted to scroll every 2 minutes. Turn on Do Not Disturb and use focus apps like Forest or Pomodoro timers. Trust me, when your phone isn't pulling your attention, you get into that deep focus flow way faster. 9. Create a focus-friendly sound environment. Sound totally changes your study mood. Try playing some lo-fi beats, white noise, or calming background music. If your house is noisy, noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver. Even budget ones work well. 10. Scent your space. Optional but powerful. Okay, this one's optional, but trust me, it's magical. If you're on a budget, hang a herbal tea bag near your desk. Yep, it actually gives off a subtle calming scent. If you can, light a scented candle or use a bit of essential oil to calm your brain and boost your focus. Your space should feel calm, safe, and inspiring, and scent plays a bigger role than you'd think. So there you go, your step-by-step guide to creating an aesthetic, motivating study space that actually makes you want to study, all without spending a ton of money. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.